So bam, so boom. Here's a little DIY because I'm doing it myself at home. Box braids, y'all. Because I refuse to go get my hair done. And why? Child, because I just don't want to go get it done and I be having problems, child. That's another story. But this is a DIY. I'm using the same hair that I had in my hair the last time for my twist. If you remember that video, I'll put it up here. So y'all, I started sectioning this, or section it off already. I can't even talk today. I sectioned it off already, as y'all can see. And I got two kinds of hair, y'all, because I didn't feel like going to the hair store. So I got two things of hair, some straight hair and some kinky hair. And I'm going to mix that in, child, and we're going to do these box braids. Y'all, I'm doing these box braids because I do not feel like doing no keep adding hair over and over. So I'm just gonna do some regular box braids, old school with the knot. Yes, the knot, just like when you got knocked upside of your head when you was a kid. I'm doing those today. DIY box braids, as you see right now, and this is what it is. Okay, so if you got something to say, don't come for me. I'm telling you, don't come for me because I'm ready. Do not come for me. But yeah, so this style, it's super easy for me anyway, but this hair that I was dealing with, as y'all can see, is getting tangled up, child. It was getting tangled up. It was hurting my fingers. If y'all can even hear it, I don't even know if y'all can hear it in the background. But baby, child, it was doing something to my fingers. So I'm just going to put these in, y'all, and I'm going to see how they come out, because I haven't did box braids in forever. They so old school. I mean, I could have did the knotless, but like I say, I just don't feel like keep adding hair in over and over with this hair too, because it gets tangled. So when I take these out, I'm going to do me some knotless, and I'll do a video on that. But this is just a real quick DIY. I'm doing it myself, child, and y'all just keep watching, and y'all see how this come out, because I have no clue. I ain't did knots in a minute. I ain't got knocked upside my head in a minute, so we gonna see how this look. All right, so stay tuned. Looking for that was ready to. Another minute there. Little grip. Yellow bread. Come on, you.
Hopefully she can handle this crash course in creative writing. This is no small feat. Cynthia, good luck.
And also balance the marriage and home. In 24 hours, I can sleep for 1 or 2 hours, and that has been my life for the last 23 years. I'm Eva Nangalo, a midwife working in Nakaseke Hospital, Uganda. I was born to be a midwife, and it's what is in my DNA. That's what I am. In Uganda, the mortality rate of mothers who are giving birth recorded in health. Between 25 to 30 mothers to serve. And you also need more equipment and medicine. In Uganda here, we don't provide painkillers when mothers are in labor pains. Najja mu ddwaliro e Nakaseke nga ngenda kuzaala. Kati oyo omusawo ate ne tumuzaala. Kale Eva Nangalo yankola bulungi, yankusa bulungi mu ddwaliro we nnali mu kiseera ng'abasawo bagaana okunkwatako. We thank God for the new creatures. Baby. Every baby was created for a purpose. Every life counts. Musawo Eva yetumumanyi nga Savior. They are all my babies. I'm a mother of 1 million babies.
Mothers always look for her, they always call her. Sometimes when I see the patients, they even give Lady Eva. I think I'll also produce.
All finished now. If you made it this far, Let me know in the comment section how you like these braids, these DIY braids to be exact. They're not perfect, and I knew they wasn't going to be because I really wasn't in the mood. Plus, the hair was very, very hard to handle. Very nerve-wracking, but I like the texture of the hair. So now I'm just gonna cut these ends, y'all, and do my edges maybe a little later. But yeah, comment in the comment section how you like this style, and follow me on Instagram, y'all. I'll put my Instagram up here because I'm gonna take some pictures of my hair. You know, it look different in pictures and stuff like that. So yeah, let's stay connected, y'all. Until next time, I'll see y'all in the next video. I'm out.